We're looking at number 4 from the first semester final exam. It reads, Carol notices that the number of customers who visit her coffee shop varies inversely with the average daily temperature. Yesterday, the average temperature was 40 degrees, and she had 160 customers. If today's average temperature is 25 degrees, how many customers would she expect? Since it tells us that it varies inversely, we know the relationship is one that looks like this. Some quantity A is equal to a constant of proportionality divided by some quantity B. You really can't go wrong deciding which quantity to put where, as long as you're consistent with this. Let's replace the A and the B with the values that we've been given so that we can try to solve for K. So we know two numbers that go together. We know when the average temperature was 40, then she had 160 customers. So we're going to write this as 40 is equal to the constant of proportionality divided by the 160 customers. Like so. Now we have to solve for K. How do we solve this equation for K? Well, we can clear the fraction here by multiplying through by 160. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 160. Over here, we multiply this side by 160, and we multiply this side by 160. Do you see how the 160s cancel out there, leaving us with a K? 160 times 40 right here. I'm going to quickly use the calculator. 160 times 40 is equal to 6,400. So we have that 6,400 is equal to K. This is the constant of proportionality, and it's also the key for answering the question. Because it says if today's temperature, the problem says if today's temperature was 25 degrees, how many customers should she expect? When we were setting this up, we used A to be the average temperature and B to be the customers, so we'll be consistent with that now. I'm going to put for the average temperature here, I'm going to replace it with a 25. We now know what K is equal to, so I'll write that out here, 6,400. We don't know what is the value of B, but that's what we're going to solve for now. Let's solve for B by getting the B out of the denominator, by clearing the fraction, multiplying both sides by B. Over here, B times the 6,400 divided by B, the B's cancel out. We end up with 25B is equal to 6,400. Now we divide both sides by 25. Divided by 25. We get that B is equal to 6,400 divided by 25, which is 256. So there are 256 customers when the average temperature is 25 degrees. Let's see if 256 was one of the choices. Go up to the original problem, look to see if 256 is one of our choices. Yes, 256 is one of our choices. So the answer for number 4 is number 3.